Here we have a Vectrax 7" by 10" horizontal bandsaw, geared head. I'm going to pull out the e-stop, show you that it does operate. Alright, we turn the machine on. The motor is running. You see the shaft turn. You just shift the gear. It's on a little bit higher speed here. You check the coolant pump. It also operates. Alright, so these are going to need the contact wheels. There's one on the rear, there's one on the front, and it's also missing the bolts from them. They will need to be installed before you use the unit, obviously. There's your back cover. There's some miscellaneous parts. These get mounted on the front here. Has a hydraulic down feed. And push that down there. So as the head comes down, the machine turns off. The controls. Geared head, 3-speed. Very nice machine. Just need to get the wheels. All your information is in the listing.